Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial is part 1. I want to teach you ground destruction techniques. Okay, let's get started. Draw a box. This box is our ground, for example. Assign a simple material to this box. Okay. And change the wire color to black. Black is wire color, this color. Okay. And open Rayfire. Add this box to dynamic impact objects list and click on fragments tab. Maximize the top view. Okay, we are going to use draw fragment. Okay, click on draw fragment and draw something like this. Okay, click and draw. And click again. Okay, to finish, and right click to finish this job. Now we have two objects. Okay, we don't need Rayfire. Close it, and we have two objects, and you see okay, and again we can change the vehicle, and we don't need to change, it's not necessary. Okay, now open TP window, make a group, rename it to ground destruction. Rename this group to ground. Okay, create two groups inside the ground group, rename it to left and next to right. Okay, left for left side and right group for right side. Okay, before I should make a simple animation. Click on auto key, go to frame 10 and do something like this. Okay, bring it down. Now we have this animation. Or this. Okay, select this object, bring the keys to frame, for example 20 or 15. Okay, click on auto key to set it off open TP. Master dynamic, create a dynamic set, rename it to ground distraction. Create some dynamic sets, rename it to object to particle. Add the object to particle node, make a copy, click on object to particle node, and in the right side click on pick button and click on the left object, left ground object, send it to left particle to object, instance shape and height. Do the same for right side, send it to right group, okay. Now we add an animation. We are going to distracting this object on this area. To doing this, we have to detecting the contacting position between two objects here. Okay, click on next dynamic set, rename it to detect. Click on last group, rename it to cells. In this case, we are going to use geom contact node, okay? Geom contact. Geom contact will detecting the contact between two objects. Here, geom contact will detecting this contact here. And now geom contact needs object is yellow. It means we should use this one is yellow. It's necessary to in helpers in geometry click on object. Now we have a object node. In object node, and now an object node needs a group, okay. And now right click and right click again in helpers, standard group, okay. In group, in right side use ground group, okay. Ground group left and right. Connect the group to group and objects to objects. And now we have a contact position. We should use position board and contact position to position. send it to sales group, pistol shot per car. Okay, maybe 250. Lifespan 1 frame is enough. Okay, and cells, change the color to red. As you can see, now we have a cells particle. Okay, we need just one frame cells particle. Okay, our animate is starting at frame 15. In condition, use time interval, connect it to on, set 15. Okay, rename this group to frag. In next dynamic set, rename it to VB. Bring right side group here and volume break operator. Connect particle to particles, send it to frag, and in activate use cells, and cells again use cells. And we can doing this for left side also. And I will use cache record. Before using per half frame subsampling. Okay, as you can see, now we have a fragged object. Okay, use cache onset, and here you rename it to SC. We have to use shape collision node, and group distraction. Click on left group, set it to neutral, and also right group, and frag object, elasticity 85, click up. Rename this dynamic set to force. Maybe we should use force. And use and also okay guys, I think it's enough for today. Wait for next part. I have more videos for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your subscribe means continue the tutorials. Thanks for watching. Take care.